Hello and welcome. I'm here with Rocket Machine Worx, and I'm with
Lisa Welsh.
And you got a call sign too?
KI6HHY.
All right, very cool. And they have some very cool products. I think I've maybe interviewed them a year ago here at Handcation, and they have some cool products. They got some new stuff they've come out with now. And so we want to talk about that a little bit and show you what else. If you're trying to do an install in your house and you're looking for a way to run some cable through a window or under your house or something, there's a lot of cool ways and features to do this. They can be very creative, and they have certainly found ways to help you out with that. So let's talk about some of the new products this morning. What do you want to start off with?
All right, well, some of the things we have new for this Hamfest are our travel patches. We designed these for RV use.
Okay.
You can mount it to the side
or
of your
maybe a
RV,
trailer of any sort, maybe?
or trailer,
Okay.
your regular vehicle. Some people have been using them for their soffit.
Oh, really?
Or a go box. There's one SO239 connector with these.
So are these made out of like aluminum, some sort?
Yep, they're made out of 6061 aluminum.
Oh wow! I mean, it's super light. I thought I pick it up. I expect it to be a lot heavier than that, and it's pretty light overall.
Yep.
So, wow.
So we've got these that are new, and also our other products we've had with our micro patches and our mini patches are Cerakoted. It's baked on ceramic coating, which is good to help against the elements. So if you're somewhere that has a lot of salt air,
Okay.
it's a good place, a good thing to have for corrosion.
So it's got different machine screws holes on the side here, on both sides. I'm assuming there's some different ways you can maybe screw into that to hold it in place, or use for something different.
So you can use it for your window, where these holes on the side, you would screw the studs in with the window wing kit. It would come, the kit comes with stainless steel studs that you screw into the side. You slide your marine grade plastic wings on. You cut them to size. It cuts just like pine, and that would fit in your window.
Oh wow!
They also, all of our patches have the two holes on the top here.
Yep, I saw that.
For either grounding, or if you don't want to put it in your window, you can use these to mount another way. Ours we have up under the house on the floor joist, screwed horizontally, and then the cables just go through the floor.
Oh, cool. And then you've got like a 5-patch panel here, basically same thing, kind of along the same lines. You can do the longer if you want more cables coming through.
It's the exact same thing, except it's got 5 connectors instead of 3.
Okay, cool. And you've got this as antenna 1 through 5 labeled, which is kind of cool, actually.
Right.
That you can actually keep this.
Sorry, this is machine engraved. These are laser engraved.
Okay, very cool. And some of them actually have, I mean, if you want to put these in like in your window or something, it's actually got kind of a cool like engraved design on it.
Also laser engraved.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Thank you.
It is very neat looking. It kind of gives a little bit of a decorative decor, so it just doesn't look like a piece of metal sitting in your window.
We've had a lot of wives excited about the nice looking pass-throughs.
Right. Now, one thing I see kind of interesting, you actually have a lightning arrestor on this one here on antenna 2 on this one.
Right.
So you can actually extend this out and put a lightning arrestor on there too if you need to.
So this is just an example of, yes, you can also install lightning arrestors for them. They'll fit, especially on the 5 connectors. They will fit.
A little tight on the 3.
Yeah, they will fit, but they're a little tight. And everything is threaded all the way through. All of our connector holes, we single point thread them.
Okay. Very cool. And the biggest thing is probably your new window pass-through with the boards is your big thing this year, right?
Right. We've had that at other shows. This first year for this show.
Okay.
Like I said, it's marine grade plastic, and it comes as a kit where you would get 2 of these 1.5 foot pieces.
Okay.
And they're drilled in reams, so they fit the studs really tight, and you just screw the stud into the side of your patch panel, and then put the gaskets on and slide it in place.
Wow. And then just place that in your window, and because you already cut it to length of what you need.
Yep.
Very cool.
And it comes with all the hardware you would need, the gaskets and grounding hardware.
How does how much does that cost?
So as you see here with the Cerakote and the micro patch is $150 for the Hamfest.
That's not bad.
Correct. We have online prices that are a little different. And then for this patch panel for our Hamfest price is, as you see here, would be $220. Sorry.
Okay.
For Hamfest pricing.
Very cool. And I'll do a kind of upshot too. Just to my right, they have another little display of how to set that up for your like under your floor joists and how you can mount that and set that up. And I'll show you a photo of what that looks like from there. So this is Rocket Machine Worx. And where can they find you at? What's your website?
Our website is rocketmachineworx with an X.com.
Okay.
And from there you can get to our .shop site.
Okay. Very cool. Well, thanks for joining us again here on the Hammer Radio Guy podcast today. And go check out Rocket Machine Worx if you're trying to figure out how to get some cabling and antenna coax into your house or your shack. And this might be a great way to go. 73, and we'll catch you again next time. Thanks for joining.